Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Angus sirloin tender steak. First, prepare your steak by patting it thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for developing a beautiful crust. Next, season both sides generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper, ensuring complete coverage. Let the seasoned steak rest at room temperature for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, which helps it cook more evenly. To achieve that perfect, flavorful crust, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron over medium-high to high heat. You want it hot enough that it just begins to smoke faintly. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed, to the pan. Carefully place your steak in the searing hot oil, then cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, without moving it, until a rich, golden brown crust forms. Once both sides are beautifully seared, immediately transfer the entire pan, with the steak still in it, into a preheated oven set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue cooking for an additional 5 to 10 minutes, which will vary based on your preferred doneness and the steak's thickness. Always use an instant-read thermometer to ensure accuracy. For a perfect medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer all your beautifully seared city chicken skewers from the skillet into a baking dish, arranging them in a single layer. Pour 1/2 cup of chicken broth or water into the bottom of the dish. This helps create a moist environment for tender meat. Bake the city chicken for approximately 45 minutes, or until the meat is thoroughly cooked and wonderfully tender throughout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.